Hello friends, this is CA Satyamurthy Ramanujam welcoming you to Nifty Profits YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty futures chart. It's a continuous contract, so don't bother about current expiry falling on 26th August. So it automatically plots the next month contracts as and when the contract moves to the new month. What we are seeing here in Bank Nifty is an interesting swing in the range of approximately 36,250 to 36,300 levels and 34,500 levels. You can see this oscillation happening in Nifty. It is just Bank Nifty, it is just swinging in this range. If you know, Nifty was hovering between 15,400 and 15,900 levels for nearly 8 weeks, and then suddenly it broke out of that range, and now you can see that Nifty is trading around 16,500 levels, having touched a peak of 16,700, which is an all-time high for Nifty. If you look at Bank Nifty futures, its all-time high is, as you can see, 37,770. Look at the top of the screen. On the right side you can see H and mark there 37,770. That is the all-time high made by Bank Nifty futures. In Bank Nifty spot, the level was 37,708.75. I remember that number too well. While Nifty has already made few all-time highs and has scaled it again and again like a high jumper, just raising the bar and going above and crossing that, Bank Nifty has not been able to do that for whatever reason. So what is in store for Bank Nifty? If Nifty has been bullish for so long, Bank Nifty cannot lag behind for very long time. Some of the private sector banks have been hovering in their recent highs, and from there they have retraced and hovering around that area. The main booster for Bank Nifty should come from HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank recently got a positive news. It is now consolidating in that 1500 to 1525.30 area. So if HDFC Bank starts to move up, because now its business is back on wheels as far as its credit card business is concerned, since RBI has cleared it. So whatever business they have been losing or not getting as new business from the credit card side, they will be able to capture now. HDFC Bank is an aggressive bank. They will go all out to ensure that whatever they lost in the past months, they will regain. And other banks also will be there in competition. There is a theory that because HDFC Bank will come back and will grab the business, other banks may lose out. But it is not so easy, because people who are already wedded with one bank using their credit cards may not easily jump from one bank to another bank unless they change their jobs. This is my understanding as far as banking is concerned. So, what will happen? HDFC Bank may have to offer some carrots to acquire customers from other banks to HDFC Bank, or people may go for additional cards, right? You can always have more than one credit card, one from ICICI Bank, one from Kotak Bank, and one from HDFC Bank you can have. So that is the market that HDFC Bank would be tapping on, according to me. If I am the manager of HDFC Bank, that's what I will do. If HDFC Bank supports the up move, with the up move rather, and other private banks also join in, then Bank Nifty can cross this 36,300 to 36,400 hurdle. If you see, I have set up an alert for me above 36,400 because I expect if and when Bank Nifty crosses this level of 36,400, the move can be very quick, swift, and in a day it can move even 800 to 900 points. It's not new in Bank Nifty. It has moved in the past. See this big bar on 21st May 2021 when it moved 1300 points after being negative on the previous day. Again, see 3 4 days earlier to the date on 17th May 2021, it again moved 1283 points. So in just 4 trading sessions, Bank Nifty moved nearly 2600 points. See again here, from a low of 31,762, mean we can take this low, a low of 30,451. Bank Nifty in a span of a week made an high of 34,298. It means nearly 4,000 points move. So Bank Nifty is capable of making those big moves. And when that happens, it will be very quick, very fast, right? So once I think 36,400 is taken out in Bank Nifty, it can quickly move towards this level I have marked as 38,500. So be ready, keep an alert for Bank Nifty at 36,400 levels, and then accordingly get ready to take a trade in Bank Nifty. Until then, it is just a swinging movement. It's not no longer attractive to be long or short in Bank Nifty, because at the lower levels support is always coming in Bank Nifty. You can see this yellow line. It is a volume profile I have plotted. The volume profile gives a huge support around 35,000 levels. That's why even when it went down below 35,000, it quickly retraced and came back. So the level to look for is 36,400 in Bank Nifty. If and when it crosses and closes above 36,400, please get ready to go long on Bank Nifty for a good up move in that. It may very well come during the month of September. Please treat my analysis as a guidance and my viewpoint on where the Bank Nifty is heading. Please manage your risks appropriately. When you trade in options for such big up moves, it is better to buy monthly options. It may be slightly expensive, but you will get a longer time frame to hold the options, and take that monthly option after the Bank Nifty crosses 36,400 level. Please read the risk disclosure given in the description and trade with the caution, because stock markets are quite volatile. Thank you very much for being with me for so long, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Nifty Profit channel. Keep visiting this channel for some guidance on stock markets. As and when I find some opportunity, I'll be sharing a video with you with my viewpoint. Thank you very much. All the best. Have a great day ahead, and also a fantastic and successful investing and trading career. Bye bye.